In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an AI formula builder in Monday.com. This tool is incredibly useful for streamlining your workflow, and we'll walk through the process together in just 5 simple minutes. To get started, open a web browser and navigate to Monday.com. This is your project management hub where a lot of magic happens. Once there, proceed to the login page by clicking on the login button. If you're like me and prefer convenience, you can log in using your Google account. Just click on Google and select your account to sign in quickly. Once you're logged in and see your dashboard, the next step is to access the specific board where you want to utilize the AI formula builder. Head to your board and keep in mind that each board represents a project or a workspace, so select the one that's most relevant to your needs today. The magic begins here. On your board, you will want to add a new column. This column is where you will insert your formula, essentially adding a new layer of data analysis to your project management process. Click on the option to add a column and choose Formula from the list. Now you're in the Formula Builder interface. This is the heart of our tutorial. Look for the AI Assistant tab and click on it. It's tucked away neatly in the interface, waiting to help you construct the perfect formula. Once you're in the AI Assistant tab, you will see a query box appear. This is where you type out your formula needs. Think of it as a conversation with the AI. You tell it what you want to achieve. For instance, you might want to calculate the sum of 2 columns. Simply type in your query and the AI will be ready to assist. After typing your query, the next step is straightforward. Click on Insert. This action places the formula draft into your column almost like magic, but to finalize it, you still need to configure the formula according to your board's specifics. Finally, click on Set Formula. This button solidifies everything you've done. The AI's suggestions transform into an operational formula within your board's new column. This is where your query truly comes to life, performing calculations automatically and enhancing your data analysis capabilities. And that's it. You have successfully set up an AI formula builder on Monday.com. This tool is not only powerful, but can also be a huge time saver, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Enjoy harnessing the power of AI to manage your projects more intelligently and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.